So Radar is the all-in-one location platform. We power geofencing, maps, and location tracking use cases for a wide range of companies like Panera Bread, Dick's Sporting Goods, T-Mobile, Zillow. Our mission is to connect the digital and physical worlds. So we believe that the best experiences happen at the intersection of the digital and physical. Things like ride sharing, delivery, order ahead, location-based app experiences, augmented reality. And our vision is location infrastructure for every product and service. So we want to be that infrastructure layer that helps companies connect the digital and physical worlds. We're about 50 people. We've raised about $85 million. We're based here in New York City.
And how are you different from others that are in this space?
Sure, so we're different in a couple ways. We call ourselves the all-in-one location platform. So one way that we're different is we do all sorts of different location use cases. So some of our competitors only do maps. We do both geofencing and maps. So we can power location-based experiences across the customer journey. A couple examples, we power the store mode for Dick's Sporting Goods. So if you open the Dick's Sporting Goods app inside of a store, it'll say, hey, welcome to this store. And that's our geofencing platform, but they expanded to our maps platform for things like address autocomplete at checkout. Panera Bread uses us for location-based arrival detection for order ahead, which is a geofencing use case, but they expanded to Radar Maps platform to power their store locator. So one way that we're different is extensibility, the fact that we're an all-in-one platform. The second is ease of integration and developer experience. So we often use the analogy like a Stripe for location or a Twilio for location. Stripe makes it really easy for developers and enterprises to integrate payments. Twilio makes it really easy for developers and enterprises to do communications. We want to be that full stack, developer friendly tool for location. So open source SDKs, really easy to integrate. That's something that sets us apart. And then the last thing that sets us apart is just performance. We've spent the last almost decade squeezing every last drop of accuracy and battery efficiency out of location services. So we can do things like understanding which part of the store you're in, or understanding which parking space you're in, or whether you're at the drive-thru, and really sort of push the limits of accuracy beyond what you can get out of the box with iOS and Android location services, and also cost effectiveness. So we've made our infrastructure really efficient. We can power maps and geofencing use cases in a really cost-effective way as well.
As you look to the next 12 months, what are you most focused on?
We had a really big year last year. Last year we launched our Maps platform. We're going to continue investing in that, so powerful new Maps customization features, international coverage for things like geocoding and address autocomplete. That's one area of focus. Gaming is a relatively new vertical for us, so if you use like a DraftKings or a FanDuel, those apps need to verify which state you're in, verify you're not spoofing your location. Fundamentally a geofencing use case with some compliance layered on top. And so we launched our geo compliance platform. We're going to continue developing that, and we've just seen tremendous demand for that. And the last thing that we're focused on is just continuing to push the limits of what's possible with location accuracy. So again, how far can we take things indoors or with sub-meter accuracy? So that's a big focus for us. We have our customer conference, Radar IRL, in September here in the financial district in NYSE, so we'll have some exciting product announcements to share there.
Nick, it's wonderful to talk with you. Thanks for joining me on Floor Talk.
Thanks so much for having me.